In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert hyperlink in your design. This is a design I'm working on and I want to insert hyperlink. I'm on the third page. I click on here and I want to insert hyperlink on this text. When I highlight the text I want to insert hyperlink, you will see this sign here that says link. You click on it, it's going to give you the option whether you want to link pages in the document. If I click on page 24, it's going to link that to page 24 and I'll click on done. Let's go down to page 4 here. I select all this and still on this link here, I want to add an external link. I'm going to paste the link into this place. Done. So I've linked my YouTube channel to this text here. I'll click out and let's go over to share and click on download. For this link to work, if you download as PNG, the link will not be clickable. But if you download as PDF standard or you are using it as a PowerPoint presentation, the link will be clickable. So let's download as PDF. Let's click on download. It has downloaded our file. So this is the document we downloaded. If I go to page 3, that's where we did the hyperlink. If I click on this link, you see it took me to page 24. And if we go to page 4 and I click on this one, that's redirected me to my YouTube channel, which is where I linked it. Like this video if you got value from it. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Do have a good one.